Most people feel like something in their life isn't working. They just don't know what it is. This channel exists for one reason: to help you see reality clearly so you can take control of your life. No hype, no gimmicks. Just truth, introspection, and disciplined ambition. If your life isn't working, your understanding of reality is wrong somewhere. That may sound harsh, but it's also empowering. Because if the problem is your understanding, then the solution isn't luck, and it isn't waiting, and it isn't someone else. It's a reset. Most people try to fix their lives by changing external things. New routines, new jobs, new relationships, new goals. But they never reset the lens they see their life through. So they just rearrange the same problems in new ways. Reality is not what feels good. It's not what is popular, it's not what is fair. And it's not what you are told should be true. Reality is simply what actually is. And when your beliefs don't match what is, you don't get punished morally. You get punished functionally. Your plans stop working. Your decisions stop compounding. Your life stalls. Not because the world is unfair, but because your model of the world is wrong. Here's the part most people avoid. It's easier to believe you're unlucky than to believe you're mistaken. It's easier to say the system is broken than to ask whether your expectations were. It's easier to blame circumstances than to confront patterns. But comfort always delays clarity. And clarity is the only thing that actually sets you free. When your understanding of reality is wrong, you pay for it slowly and quietly. In time, you never get back. In emotional exhaustion. In low-grade anxiety you can't quite explain. In the feeling that you're behind, but don't know why. Most people don't crash loudly. They drift quietly. And they call that normal. A reset doesn't happen in public. It doesn't require an announcement. It doesn't require motivation. It starts with one internal sentence. Maybe I don't see this as clearly as I think I do. That single thought creates space. And in that space, something dangerous appears. Responsibility. Because if your model of reality is wrong, then your future is also negotiable. And that means your outcomes are no longer fate. They are feedback. This channel is not here to entertain you. It's not here to soothe you, and it's not here to flatter you. It exists to confront what most people avoid, to expose the ideas that quietly sabotage people's lives, and to rebuild a clearer internal framework for how things actually work. Through truth, through introspection, and through disciplined ambition. Because change doesn't happen when you feel inspired. It happens when you finally see clearly. If your life feels stuck, it's not because you're broken. It's because your internal map doesn't match the terrain. And every wrong map leads to the same place. Frustration. In the next episode, we'll define what truth actually is and why most people rarely encounter it. Because you can't reset what you can't define.